Alright, what up guys? I just received my Globe Complete skateboard. I think it's the Shmoozer model, and just came in, just arrived from FedEx. So let's see what it's about. Looks like it's in good shape. Where should I cut next? Damn, look at that. That is a sick looking deck. Get that out of this bag. And it's already fucking pre-completed. I mean, I wouldn't have minded completing it myself, but it saves time. Alright. Look at that. That is not bad. Got a little tag on there. Holographic silver. $60mm 83A. I'm probably gonna go a little softer, right? Get a little more money. Trucks are Slant brand. Hopefully they're not too bad. They don't look too bad. They seem fine. Bushings are super loose. God damn. I'm gonna have to get hard bushings. This is crazy. It's a sick board though. First impressions, I'm happy with it. Give him a spin. Ain't too bad out of the box, really. I haven't spin it that hard. Give this one a harder spin. Alright. Little wheel wells right here, not bad. Board all looks fine. I don't see any like imperfections or anything. Oh, looks good to me. No paints on the chip, or no chips in the paint.
Depending on your own personal preference of how tight your trucks are and how fast you want your wheels to go, you're probably going to have to adjust your bushings and your hardware for your wheels. The bushings are these little red guys right here. right there. And you tighten it and loosen it with a skate tool, just by twisting that little nut left or right. And I personally, I don't like these bushings. I think they're way too soft, so I'll be getting tighter bushings and replacing them eventually. Board out of the box, the wheels were too tight, like tightened too tight, so they weren't spinning as well as they should have been. And that's also a really easy remedy, which is you just, again, loosen up this little nut right here by twisting it left with a skate tool. And you want just a little bit of space so that your wheel can wiggle a little bit, giving it the room to spin as much as it can, as much as your bearings will allow it to. So yeah, you just want like that, like just that much wiggle room, just like a centimeter or something will be perfect. So yeah.
Overall, I'd say this was a really good buy. I mean, a decent deck could easily run you $60, so that's a steal right there. And then I've got backup wheels and some decent trucks and hardware, everything. Just need some new bushings. I'm happy with it. Perfect size. Good kicktail for easy maneuvering. It's dope. So it's a day or two later, and just wanted to show some like updates on the wear and tear that we're seeing already. It's nothing on the underside, but rather on the grip tape. I've tried like maybe 2 or 3, maybe 4 ollies and kick flips each on this board, and as you can see, the grip tape's already like peeling up a bit where the cutout is for the stripe, and even on the edges, it seems to be tearing up a little more than standard grip tape. A little wear and tear on the back. I don't think it's anything too serious, but I will provide an update if it falls apart. But I don't think it'll be too big of a problem. Still happy with the quality.